Hello player, today we will analyze the match between a Deszczynski with the white pieces and D Gukesh with the black pieces. E4. C5. Knight F3. E6. Knight C3. Knight C6. D4. C. Captures on D4. Knight captures on D4. A6. G3. D6. Bishop G2. Bishop D7. Kingside castling. Knight F6. Knight captures on C6. Bishop captures on C6. F4. Bishop E7. F5. Kingside castling. Bishop E3. Rook C8. Rook E1. Knight D7. Knight A4. F5. Knight B6. Knight captures on B6. Bishop captures on B6. Queen D7. E. Captures on F5. Bishop captures on G2. King captures on G2. Rook captures on F5. C3. Bishop D8. Bishop captures on D8. Rook captures on D8. Queen B3. D5. Rook E2. Rook from D, F8. Rook D1. Queen F7. Rook from D, D2. H5. C4. D4. Queen D3. E5. Queen E4. King H8. B3. G5. Queen D5. The evaluation became -1.6. This move was a mistake. The best move was King G1. For example, King G1. G4. B4. With a balanced game. Queen D5. Queen G7. The evaluation became 0.1. This was a serious mistake. The best move was Queen captures on D5. For example, Queen captures on D5 check. C. Captures on D5. King G7. H3. G4. Rook E4. Rook G5. B4. Rook D8. Rook C2. King F6. H. Captures on G4. H. Captures on G4. Rook C5. King E7. Rook E1. Rook F5. With a decisive advantage for black. Queen G7. Rook E4. G4. H3. Queen F6. Rook from E, E2. G. Captures on H3 check. King captures on H3. H4. King G2. The evaluation became -1.1. This move was a mistake. The best move was Rook E4. For example, Rook E4. H. Captures on G3. Rook H4 check. Queen captures on H4 check. King captures on H4. G. Captures on F2. Rook captures on F2. Rook captures on F2. Queen captures on E5 check. Rook from 8, F6. King G3. With a balanced game. King G2. H. Captures on G3. F. Captures on G3. Rook G8. Rook F2. Rook captures on G3 check. King F1. Rook from G, F3. Rook captures on F3. Rook captures on F3 check. King G2. Rook F5. Queen E4. Rook G5 check. Black's victory. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your suggestions.